So I'm just getting here late and the guys are already started, so oops, here they are. What did you think of the kitchen? What's the
It's very good. It's as per the design, so we're really happy. Yeah, great.
Yeah, how about quality wise? You happy, yeah? What's your
we were just
favourite?
discussing that it's got a lot more depth compared to the standard kitchen, so you have a lot more workspace as well.
Oh, lovely.
Because the kitchen is not as big, but it's well laid out. So
Great stuff. Happy, yeah?
Very happy. Also,
Sylvia,
the
happy?
worktop is really
Yeah.
good. The worktop is really good.
Yeah.
Very good quality.
Yeah, so that was Danny's supplier, right?
Yeah.
I think they
So we're
tried
also
this,
working on
but it didn't work.
painting of the outside now.
To make it.
And this is a really nice cream with a green.
Because of the glass.
Hey buddy. Is that okay? Let's have a look at this bathroom, by the way.
oh wow.
Yes. The colour is really good. Absolutely.
Oh,
The different textured hair.
And you know, it works. The size, it works, you know. You can still fit in.
what do you think, Sylvia? Have a look.
You can still fit in.
Yeah, it's so big, it's so airy.
Well, it can still take 5 people.
But you guys, if you just happy,
Happy, yeah.
thumbs up.
Yes.
Super
Ah,
Yeah.
good stuff.
Love it.
Yeah, that's what we
The
need.
light looks
What's your favourite part? Alden, let's put that niche on as well for you. There we go.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, no, I love them all actually. They're all very different to each other.
And what do you think about the green there?
This,
I love
this
that
completes
green.
it.
Ah.
I was wondering whether we should leave it white, but this really completes it.
Good stuff. Yeah, no, lovely.
Because white was too bright.
This is the finishing touch.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
completes
You
it.
need it.
Also, we need a nice mirror
Yeah.
when that comes
Can
in.
you send me an idea for mirrors and then
Yeah.
I'll get one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, but no, thank you very much. This has come out really, really nice. Maybe, are you going to be considering like toilet roll holder or anything like that?
Yes.
Yes, that's towards the end when we do the. Once the carpet goes in, we'll come back.
Okay. All right, good stuff. Let's move on. Okay, good. So I missed the start of the meeting and I'm just going to get briefed on what's been discussed up here. So go for it then, Chief.
So this is flat 3. It's pretty much complete. We just have the basin to arrive, which we've discussed.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
I approved it.
Yeah.
So that's fine. Okay, good.
So and then you've got the mirror.
So it's really good.
This is all great.
Yeah.
It's all finished.
Done.
Everything's done.
Second bedroom.
Second bedroom.
Anything outstanding?
We just had to change the wall light, but this looks even better.
Ah, good.
Yeah.
Lovely.
We've chosen the carpet here,
Yeah.
so hopefully we'll get that ordered and start.
I've spoken to him, I left a message today, so he's going to come back to me tomorrow.
Okay. So yeah, this flat is pretty much complete. Just on small touches.
Loving the colours on this hallway and everything as
So
well,
nice.
so it's nice. Great stuff, okay. And then downstairs, this is the second of the kitchens and this one's slightly different. So has he finished this one yet? It's with the doors? So he's missing
So
a
we're missing
couple of
these
doors there.
and the taps. The tap we've discussed, so we'll send a link so that can be purchased. We've got the extractor, we discussed that. So we'll have a built-in extractor with the unit, so for more storage. And yeah, this room feels, obviously they're all different, but it just feels much bigger as well.
Yeah, I think it's the
Yeah.
colours possibly.
Yeah, so the fact that we've used darker colours in the hallways, so when you enter the living room, it gives you a whole illusion of a bright and airy space.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, good point. Yeah, no, definitely. Okay, and then how about the shelves?
The shelves are in production.
Yeah.
So that's going to go, how many are you going to have there?
So I think we're having 4, isn't it?
No, we said 3 and 4.
3 and 4, because we've got this area here. So we'll have floating shelves.
We're just coming into the ground floor now, and this room is so nice, you know.
Yeah.
And the quality of this paintwork and the doors. Did you see that skirting there where they've joined it? Can you see it?
We've done
So
some
that's
repair
okay.
work.
There. But yeah, no, that was really good. And are you thinking of going for a white shutter system there? So against.
Oh, that one has to stay, no?
Yeah, this is the original.
No, no, but are you, the colour on it? You're going to go
White,
for white,
yeah.
yeah? Okay.
All the details here, skirting, clothing will be white.
Okay. That was the new radiator. That's going to go above the toilet.
Yes, the slim one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
Which is much better.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what else in this room here then? We need the lighting.
Light
in-
fixing.
just the light fixing up here,
Yeah.
and then there's 2 wall lights on either side of the shutters.
Yeah.
So yeah, lights there as well. And then pretty much this room is done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go into the next one.
Wow. This is amazing. This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Yes, this is the moment.
What do you think of the crittall? Aluminium crittall.
Crittall's great.
Once the glass is in, I
Yeah,
think it's
once
just
the
going to
glass
really
is
set
in
it off,
and
right?
it's all-
So on the roof section here, is it just got plain sheets of glass over here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, good. But yeah,
And
no,
then this joins down to the basement level.
yeah, we'll have a look at it from the other side. Sylvia, what do you think? Huh? Smiling all the way.
This
Ah.
just makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think anyone who walks into this space.
Well, once this door, this makeshift door is away, and you can actually see it from outside, oh, it's going to look stunning.
Imagine the amount of light that's going to be through there. Yeah.
This is where the money is, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, no, the money's from top all the way to the bottom
Yeah.
on this house.
Every
So,
unit has been designed different.
Exactly.
So it's
these guys look like Charlie's angels. So these are Monty's angels here. Ah, bless you guys. Amazing. Thank you. From the upstairs till now is fantastic. Look at that bathroom.
yeah.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Oh, cleaner than that.
So we're having fun today, it looks like.
I'm the cleaner. Sorry, don't disturbing you, but I'm cleaning.
Dan is very pedantic about his sites and how clean they should be. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
this floor tile looks stunning as well. Okay, so once that glass is in, this is going to just change that completely.
I've got the glass here.
When's that glass going to be
Is there?
installed? Okay, so
I
next
need to
week.
fit it, yeah, next week.
Okay, good stuff. Tuba, what do you think?
I love it. This
Ah.
is so different. It's all so different. I think you should come and check this area.
So just looking at the other side, and that's a nice floating shelf, and that just bounces off from the top. So it's lovely. Oh, look at that tap. Looks stunning. Good stuff. Happy?
Really happy. And the mosaic really just goes well with the curved wall.
So just coming into this bathroom.
Here.
How are we doing, guys? What do you think? Smiles
nice.
again, all the way.
These tiles are amazing.
You know what I really like about these tiles is that the way that you actually planned the tiles on that wall.
Do you know how we planned them?
How?
I came here one day, laid it all out with the builders, and then we marked them one by one. We numbered them, and yeah, we just figured out what tile would work best in what level.
And it honestly looks like a piece of art. It really
Yeah.
does. So well done. Yeah, no, good. So just going into the master bedroom, and this is going to be. I mean, I know what it's going to look like.
This is going to be a really special space. It's going to feel like you're almost in a hotel room. So we have, don't know if you want to walk in here because it works as a complete space. So we'll have a bedroom here with a crittall glass continuing down. So we've got this amazing view out into the garden. Over here we have a low wall and rippled glass.
Okay, so there will be ripple glass through here that you're looking through now. Yeah. Okay.
So you won't see the space,
Yeah.
you won't see the ensuite, but you will sort of see the window. You just create some sort of privacy without making the space feel small. So we'll have dark oak wooden panelling all around the bathroom walls, inside and outside, just around the walls. And then the door will continue as rippled glass with oak framing.
Lovely.
Inside
I've seen the pictures. It looks stunning. So,
Yeah, it looks
are you confident that Danny will deliver?
Yes.
Yes, that's why we specified it.
I think it wasn't an easy design, but we're confident with Danny. So
Okay.
again, we have these blue large bold terrazzo style
I've never seen a tile
tiles.
like that before.
So
It's
nice.
So nice. Definitely.
With
And then once you've got the fitted wardrobe here as well.
fitted
and the
same
colour.
materials.
Okay.
Matching with
Okay.
dark
Yeah, good.
oak.
Okay, let's not give too much away.
Yeah.
Let's get the viewers to wait.
Yeah,
This
So
size.
follow, like, subscribe.
So all this has to knock down. All this has to go out. We increase the roof a little bit, like 100 and 150 mil higher. And it's going to be like a nice glass panel, section of timber, glass panel, section of timber, glass panel, and door on the corner.
So this is going to be this is going to be our external study.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we've got a bridge section as well.
The bridge section.
So this is another bespoke, very complex but easy for us to do.
So I'm going to do the platform, the bridge, yeah, from the wall. Imagine 800 all the way through,
Yeah.
up to here.
Yeah.
Here is going to be 1 step, 2 step,
Yeah.
go there, and then there is the door.
No, from the basement, if I want to access the
It's going to be
study.
3 steps here, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, just like a
Door.
ladder.
Yeah.
Ladder. Okay, that's fine. That's the fire escape.
Is there any wood in the garden? You know, we've got some slabs going down.
Yeah, we've got large
Because
slabs.
Danny's done the K render now.
Yeah, I think the planting is important so that we can create an illusion of like a larger space with the greenery as well.
And then you've got an idea of what the study is going to look like as well.
Yes. We have a few ideas. I was thinking, obviously you guys let me know as well, keep it dark and minimal rather than oak.
Can you send us a picture of the design that you've got, and then they can look at the colours of it, yeah? And then we'll decide and then go for it, yeah? Ideally, what I've requested is, in order for us to increase the square footage in here, is build this wall out to as far as possible.
Yes.
And then that just increases our square footage when we come to the resale. That's another place where the money is as well,
Yeah.
on this one, on this flat. So this flat's got so much going for it.
Yeah.
I love.
Because it could be a workshop for someone, a study, work from home, office.
And that's what they have. The profile of the buyer profile here, that's exactly what they want. So, and there's nothing like this on the market. So we're going to get a
There is
record price for
nothing
this one.
like that,
And I'm just going to finish off with this view of what we've all been waiting for, which is this crittall. And then that's going to follow all the way up. And then even here on the downside, we're going to have crittall, and then we've got crittall windows over here, and a crittall door and a crittall window over here. Bye!